Today, we're going to dive into the world of Markforged 3D printers and how their simulation technology can improve your manufacturing process. If you're interested in optimizing your parts for strength, cost, and time, then stay tuned. So what exactly is simulation and why is it such a game changer? Well, Markforged has developed an innovative simulation feature that eliminates guesswork and allows you to validate part strength while optimizing print parameters. This leads to greater confidence in your 3D printed parts and helps you deliver high quality parts faster and more cost effectively. Before simulation, users had to rely on intuition, overbuilding, or lengthy print test iterate cycles to ensure their composite parts met performance requirements. This often resulted in uncertainties and manufacturing inefficiencies. However, with Markforged Simulation, you can optimize parts to meet performance demands while minimizing costs, material usage, and print time. When configuring an FFF part, users often have questions like, will the part break in service? Is this stiff enough? What print settings, build orientation, material, and fiber reinforcement should be used? Markforged Simulation addresses all of these concerns and more, giving users confidence in their 3D printed parts. Markforged's Eiger software integrates simulation to help you validate part performance and optimize print settings. The process is easy to use, fast, and accurate, providing you with the feedback on part strength, stiffness, and deformation under loading. You'll also receive automatic print setting recommendations to meet performance requirements and minimize print time and material consumption. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. With Markforged Simulation, users were able to optimize parts like the material handler and the end-of-arm tooling gripper bodies, achieving significant improvements in strength, stiffness, weight, print time, and cost. These optimizations led to substantial savings in time and material, as well as increased throughput per printer. Anyone who is printing functional parts can benefit from Markforged Simulation. You don't need to be a skilled analyst. Whether you're creating jigs, fixtures, end-of-arm tooling, soft jaws, end-use parts, functional prototypes, aftermarket spare parts, replacement parts, or MRO components, simulation can help you decrease design timelines, minimize print time and material, and increase printer throughput. In summary, Markforged Simulation is a game-changing technology that offers unparalleled benefits to anyone involved in 3D printing functional parts. It's easy to use, fast, and accurate, making it the ideal solution for optimizing your manufacturing process. So if you're looking to elevate your 3D printing capabilities, consider exploring the world of Markforged 3D printers and their incredible simulation technology. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on 3D printing and engineering. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.